Hey there, Pythonic Accountant here. So, had a little fun today. Thought it'd be fun to play around with the QuickBooks Online API connectivity, and I decided let's see what happens if I sign up for an account and create a little sandbox environment, and then do some vibe coding to see if we can create a game that can actually connect with the QuickBooks Online instance and read data from it and make changes to it. So we're able to get it to work and it's kind of fun. So let's take a look what we did. So what we see here is this is my kind of agentic system that I worked with. This is uh, I'm calling this Ledgerstein 3D is the name of the game. And I was using Antigravity to Google's agent API or agentic system to write the code and basically gave it this, kind of guide on what to do and gave it this kind of markdown, instructions on how to build this. So anyways, this is the boring part. Let's not worry about the code. Let's take a look at actually what we built. So what we're looking at here is on the left, this is the sandbox environment for the sandbox company. And we're looking at the unpaid invoices, the amounts that are due to this company. This is all fake data in the QuickBooks sandbox. And you can already see there's a sync here. So the outstanding AR is the same amount as what's showing here is unpaid, the 8657.99. And the red items represent the overdue customers. So you can see Ocean View Road for $387. That should align with Ocean View Road somewhere in here. And let's see, Ocean View Road, there's the $387. Now, what's fun is I now am able to move this around like a first person shooter, like Wolfenstein 3D. And using the keys on my keyboard, I can just kind of run around and shoot things. And so let's go over here and shoot this 969 Ocean View Road, blow this up, and collect the money. And now it shows I've collected, oh, I must have shot something behind it too. So I collected 661.50. Outstanding receivable is now, uh-oh, did it go the wrong direction? Yeah, no, that should be right. 79.96.49. And I don't know if this updates automatically or if I have to refresh, but let's go ahead and hit refresh. And this should reflect the updated receivable of there, the 79.96.49 unpaid. And then that amount that we saw below should be gone. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, let's see if I can shoot a few more. Let's get a whole bunch down and see what happens. Boom, 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 boom. So we just wiped out a whole bunch of AR. So let's see, we had 31 here. And now if I refresh, again, you should see the 2176 balance. And now oh, we still have 31, but I guess, oh, I see. It's reflecting these as paid, the ones that I hit. So let's finish up. I'm going to target just the red ones, see if I can get all of those overdue ones paid. Let's see, I got that one, this guy. Boom, 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 boom. Collecting all these things, making money fly. Awesome. So it looks like I got all the overdue receivables. So let's see if all those red exclamation marks are gone. Oh, we still have a few. So I wonder if these are just ones that didn't get loaded up. My code might have only loaded like, a certain number of these guys in here. So it might not have all of them, but still pretty sweet. This is a completely useless app, not something that I would ever recommend you remotely even consider connecting to real data. But demonstration is that it's kind of cool. You can actually connect. I mean, this is probably spent like an hour, a couple hours just noodling around with AI connecting this and getting it to work, which is crazy. And so you can actually, connect the data from QuickBooks to this, you know, custom game application and actually have it work. So very simple, but pretty cool. I'm thinking it would be really interesting next to play around with some Minecraft stuff. I've never really played with Minecraft before, but I think it could be really interesting to use the Minecraft customizations to do again some sort of syncing with QuickBooks Online. Again, just as an art, proof of concept experiment, just for fun. But imagine you're in Minecraft running around and you discover some gold or dig up some other precious metals, you could increase your precious metal raw materials and reflect that in your books. I think that could be pretty neat. That you could build things and sell them, trade with other people, and reflect that all as different entries in your QuickBooks. So probably the most nerdiest thing anybody can do on Minecraft, but could be kind of fun. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you at the next one.